Intraday trading strategy for Bank Nifty. Strategy components: CPR, Central Pivot Range, Indicator. Support and resistance levels. MACD, Moving Average Convergence Divergence. RSI, Relative Strength Index. Open Interest, OI, and Change in OI. Step-by-step strategy. Pre-market analysis. Identify the key support and resistance levels from the previous day. Check the CPR levels, TC, pivot, and BC for the day. Note down the pre-market trends and global market influences. Market open, first 15 minutes. Observe the first 15-minute candle to understand the initial market sentiment. Note the high, low, and closing price of this candle. Compare these with the CPR levels and support resistance levels. Using CPR. Above CPR, if the price opens above the CPR and sustains, it indicates a bullish trend. Look for buying opportunities near the top central pivot, TC, or pivot, P, levels. Below CPR, if the price opens below the CPR and sustains, it indicates a bearish trend. Look for selling opportunities near the bottom central pivot, BC, or pivot, P, levels. Within CPR, if the price is within the CPR, it indicates a sideways trend. Trade with caution and wait for a breakout. MACD analysis. Use MACD for trend confirmation. Look for crossover signals. Bullish signal, MACD line crosses above the signal line. Bearish signal, MACD line crosses below the signal line. RSI analysis. RSI helps in identifying overbought or oversold conditions. Overbought, above 70, look for selling opportunities. Oversold, below 30, look for buying opportunities. Open interest analysis. Increasing OI with price increase indicates strong bullish sentiment. Increasing OI with price decrease indicates strong bearish sentiment. Decreasing OI with price increase indicates short covering. Decreasing OI with price decrease indicates long unwinding. Entry points. Bullish trade, enter near support levels or after confirming bullish signals from CPR and MACD. Ensure RSI is not in the overbought zone. Bearish trade, enter near resistance levels or after confirming bearish signals from CPR and MACD. Ensure RSI is not in the oversold zone. Exit points. Set target levels based on resistance for long trades and support for short trades. Use trailing stop loss to protect profits. Exit trades if the market reverses and hits stop loss levels. Risk management. Use appropriate position sizing to manage risk. Never risk more than 1 to 2% of your trading capital on a single trade. Use stop loss orders to limit losses. Example trade setup. Pre-market analysis. Identify key levels: previous day high 45,500, low 45,000, CPR levels TC 45300, P 45250, BC 45,200. Global market sentiment is positive. First 15-minute candle. First 15-minute candle high 45400, low 45100, close 45300. Using CPR. Price opens above CPR and sustains above the top central pivot, TC, level 45,300. MACD and RSI confirmation. MACD crossover bullish. RSI at 60, indicating room for upward movement. Entry point. Enter a long trade near 45,300 with a target of 45,500 and a stop loss at 45,200. Exit point. Exit at 45,500 or trail stop loss if the trend continues. Risk management. Position size calculated to risk 1% of trading capital. Stop loss set to limit loss to 1%. By following this strategy, you can effectively trade Bank Nifty intraday while managing risk and maximizing profit potential. Adjust the parameters based on your trading style and market conditions.